Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install DBeaver on Parrot OS. Open any web browser, then go to DBeaver official website, that is dbeaver.io. See here, DBeaver community is free cross-platform database tool for developers, DB admins, analysts and everyone working with data. It supports all popular SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family and more. Okay, and see here we have the two versions, DBeaver Community and DBeaver Pro. So click it is Community is free and DBeaver Pro is paid one. So click on download. Scroll down. For Parrot OS we have to download this Linux Debian package. Click on it. See, download started and its size is 121 megabytes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. ls. See here we have the DBeaver CE24 Debian package. So we have to install that one. So sudo dpkg -i, then give db. It autofills the DBeaver Debian package. Hit enter and provide the password of sudo user. See, it is installing. See, installation is completed successfully. Now we will see how to connect to MySQL from the DBeaver. Now we will see how to connect this MySQL by using DBeaver. If you want to install DBeaver on your machine, then there is a link in the video description, or you can search for my YouTube channel how to install DBeaver on Parrot OS. Okay, start. Then search for DBeaver. See here we have the DBeaver CE. CE means Community Edition. Click on it. Now click on this plus button, then select the MySQL. Then click on, see, if it is MySQL, select MySQL. If it is MariaDB, select MariaDB. If it is Oracle, select Oracle. You can select any of these databases. Then click on next. Then the host, I have installed MySQL on this PC, so localhost, then port number 3306. Then database name is Hacks. See, I have the database Hacks. So give that. It is not hacker, hacks. Then username, root, whatever the user there in MySQL, you have to give that. Then provide the password of the user. Then click on test connection. Click on download drivers. Click on download. See, drivers downloaded successfully, also connected successfully. Click on OK. Click on finish. Now expand this one, expand databases. See here we have these databases. Right click on it, create new database, then bank. Click on OK. See, new database is there. Even we can also verify, show databases. Okay, see, we have these databases. Exit. So in this video we have seen how to install DBeaver on Parrot OS 6.2, but the process is same on all Parrot OS versions. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.